Namaskaram to all of you. Hopefully, you all are very good and doing great in your life. So today, this is with me is Kuntal. He is one of my nephew. But before going into telling you something, today I want to tell him something. You know, God make a different kind of human being and different kind of potentiality, ability, and give different kind of shape, size, and everything. So Kuntal have very one, yeah. Kuntal is one special ability child. Means the creator don't give him the ability to speak, but he have his own language of the heart. He's a great boy. He have great talent about drawing, about painting, and he is a lovely, genuine, sweet, wonderful boy. So he called me Kaka. In Bengali, Kaka means uncle. So today I want to talk about that is related to Kuntal. It is oneness. You know, in today's perspective in India and about all over the world, what is going on? We are dividing everything about divide the human being about based on their caste, creed, religion, language, and different kind of size, shape, color of their skin, everything. And here is with me, I can speak, but he cannot speak, but he have the different kind of ability that I think he is great. When the yes, when the creation not give any kind do any kind of discrimination, any kind of distortion, any kind of who the hell we are, we must to understand we are all created from the same source. So the same energy that you give any kind of name, you can call it Shiva, Jesus, Allah, or anything Buddha, or anything you can say, but at the end of the day, fundamentally we all are same. We all are taking the same breath. The sunlight is, yes, the sunlight is same for us, and the food that we eat, that become me, that become Kuntal, and that become everyone. So we must to understand that at the end of the day, fundamentally we all are same. Please, we are doing any kind of dividing the world from many century and years, and that's create any kind of stress, tension, anxiety, and any kind of destruction in this world. We must to realize, we must to understand, no matter what is the color of our skin, no matter what we can speak, or we cannot speak, or anything, but at the end of the day, we are the manifestation of the same energy. That manifestation of the same energy in everything, like cow, dog, this tree, or anything. So at the end of the day, we must to understand that we are the manifestation of that same energy. That is one in the same energy, that is one grass, one tree, or one cat, cow, dog, everything. Please, in USA also one moment going on, that is called Black Lives Matter. Why Black Lives Matter? Every lives matter. White life. Why we think in terms of black, white, and all these kind of damn things? We must to realize that we are all the same. So what the bloody matter? What the color of my skin is, and what the Kuntal color of the skin is? These things do not matter. Please understand that we are doing any kind of, want to live peace. Please spread love, spread compassion, spread empathy. This is these things we need. We need more kind of joyful and great human being, that we divide the world. People are doing all kind of such things in this world. I always find that no matter what, at the end of the day, what is matter is humanity. Not your gender, not your color of your skin, not your language, not your religion, not your country, anything. For me, the whole world is one. It is one big world, one big village, and we all are a tiny part of life here, like all other creatures. So being in your heart possess love always. So no matter where you born, who is your father or mother, what is your religion, what is your language, but at the end of the day, we can rise and shine. We can rise and shine, because this is our time, and we can rise and shine. When we rise and shine within our own being, then we rise and shine in the whole world, and that can manifest in the whole world. So this is very much important. This is we strive for. We find oneness within everything and everyone. And fundamentally, if you can see that we cannot be different from each other, because at the end of the day, we are the manifestation of the every same energy. The bubble. And this is Subhajit. You already see him. He is one of my nephew also. So he is kind of like serious boy. So what I am telling, I was telling is like, we all are same. Fundamentally, we all are the manifestation of the same energy. So that sameness is already here. Only that we must to understand and realize from it inner. Because we all eat and food becomes us, and we all taking the same breath and same thing, same water. So the life making ingredients is same and everything is same. Our blood color is same, every what that. So what the damn color, what the damn thing we are dividing any based on this, any kind of ideologies or any kind of things we are making in this world. So please do not do that. Every lives matter, not only anything or any kind of division or anything, but every life matter, and that should we should strive for. So that is the whole thing. Don't divide the world based on any kind of things. We need, what we need this time is unity and oneness within everything, with the cosmos, with the humanity, with the whole creation. So this is what we need right now. Thank you so much for watching. And as Sadhguru always say, that if we do not do what we cannot do, no problem. But if we do not do what we can do, then we are a tragedy. Make sure in your life you are not a tragedy. Thank you so very much. Namaskar.